like maybe it's a haunted house. Wow, I love it. Look at this. We are in a train today and going to explore another city close to Hilversum. It's called Bussum.
Hey guys, so we finally made it to Bussum. Let's find our way to the city center. So you can see that we are in the station Bussum South.
Let's go.
Let's go. So what do we have in here? So it's the map of the city. Really nice local Dutch town. Of course, everybody riding the bikes.
Yeah.
What is this place? It's well, from this side, like they sell furnitures, like lamps, decorations, and in here it's like a closed cafeteria. Obviously, you can feel that it's Sunday. It's very little, but I mean, it's the end of August, so a lot of people are still on holidays. So you can feel that the summer in Europe in general, the summer is like dead.
In the cities, but probably so cool in the beaches. Yeah.
Look what they have, like it's like an Argentinian restaurant here. Oh wow. Borrel. The borrel is like the tapas in Spain.
Yeah.
We go to one place, they order like a few things on the table in the center, and they can
Little bites.
eat like little bites, exactly.
And here they have a bitterbollen, so it's like a potato puree with a beef, for example, or some other stuff. Very, very nice. Yeah. Look at this little house.
What is it?
It's really cool. Like maybe it's a haunted house. Wow, I love it. Look at this. Looks really cool.
Yeah.
I wish we could enter there, no? But it's not permit. Doesn't it look like a haunted house?
We have the bus station. I don't know how often the buses they coming here. Where do they go? I think you can take a bus from Hilversum, right? In here. But I don't know what is quicker, like maybe coming by bus or coming by train. Where should we go? Yeah, here you don't want to step on the bike lanes. They're really going to crash you. They will really ride over you. But yeah, today's Sunday, everything's really closed. But I think this is like the main street shopping streets. As you may know, here in the Netherlands, the shoppings are divided by shopping streets. So it's not like usually in normal countries that you have the shopping centers, the shopping malls. Here, everything's like divided by districts, where there are boutiques, there are branded shops, and this is how it's distributed in the Netherlands. The people just go out in the streets. They go and see the stores.
They don't have a big shopping mall.
There are a couple of shopping malls, but it's not the usual one. In the Netherlands, it's mostly it's in the streets. Like there are specific streets dedicated for shopping. So that's how they do it in this country. After the pandemic, and of course, anything you can just buy it online. Or many of the shops that are closing their doors because people prefer to buy online, they prefer to shop online, there is more variety. So when sometimes you go to the shop and you really want to buy in there, it's very often that they don't have the full stock or the specific thing that you want, they just don't have it.
Or a size, and then you have to order online.
That you have to order online anyway. Or you can order in the shop, but that of course takes longer. So this is kind of the main area. So this is where we passed the last time in the car.
Yes.
In the car. So maybe we can go there. Maybe we can sit somewhere and have a drink.
Look at this duck.
Yeah, it's cool. We have the Albert Heijn, which is one of the main supermarket chains in the Netherlands. Like I don't know, what are the supermarket chains? Carrefour,
Yeah.
like Real, like Tesco. So
yeah.
I think Albert Heijn is the Tesco of the Netherlands. But you also have Jumbo, you have Dirk, you have Hooflit in this town. Sunday, everything is closed. It's like almost a ghost town on Sunday. Hey guys. So what are we supposed to do today?
I'm supposed to walk in Bussum and find some nice places, but they are actually closed here. Shops are closed, restaurants are closed.
But it's a really nice town. Maybe if you close by, if you're visiting Amsterdam and you want to get out of the comfort zone, take a train a few kilometers and visit the local atmosphere, yeah, maybe you can come to this town. It's called Bussum, and it's very local, so come prepared. But everybody speaks English, so don't worry about that. People in the Netherlands in general are very, very welcoming, very nice. So
Yeah.
don't be afraid. Everybody is going to welcome you. Probably we will show a little bit later how they behave to expats and foreigners, tourists. But in general, Dutch people are really super, super nice. Look what we found in here. So if you're walking here and you find yourself thirsty, so you can find this water dispenser. So it's kind of cool. Obviously, apparently you have to bring your own glass, but you can just press the button. I don't want to waste the water. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Some art with very explicit shapes. Look, this one makes the Brazilian butt lift and it's like a twerking.
You see? That's not a new thing there.
It's not a new thing. Wow. McDonald's is never missing in any main city town. So if you're hungry or anything, you can just always come to McDonald's and have a Big Mac. In here they have the city library, bibliothèque. So probably you can come in here and borrow some books, study probably. Nice, really nice city. Max Verstappen, Formula 1 driver.
Yes.
preparing to go back to school, fully Red Bull. We have some Greek restaurant in here, Greek Sorba. Hello.
Hi.
This is like the main square.
Yes,
You can come. I wonder if they have,
they have
if
many
they,
squares.
I wonder if they also have their own like a market square.
Look at this little house.
It's a pity that today's Sunday and we really cannot show a lot. But it's really, really beautiful, this street, this town. I mean, it has a lot. It's like very local. I think you really feel like in a holiday town. But it's very local in here, actually. I must tell you, it's where the locals they live in the Netherlands, complete in the heart of the country. Look at this. But yeah, today is Sunday, everything is closed. They have their hairdresser salons.
Many good boutiques. Handmade jewelry and other art. Really interesting. They have a lot of art shop. It's really cool in this country. Look at this cute thing, like a little mice, and even the Christmas tree. Isn't it cute? And the tailors are very popular here. People, they are bringing their stuff to get repaired. That's really good to see that they are repairing. I'm using myself a lot of tailor services. Such a colorful houses. Wow! Yellow, orange, red, blue. Looks really, really cool.
We hope that you enjoyed this trip to Bussum today. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and comment below in the description if you like this video and you want us to make some content like this. So take care, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!